Hi everyone.
Hi everyone, welcome to our channel, Smalay Philippines. It's our second day here in Thailand and we're going to walk again right now.
Second day and we all the day we stay in hotel. Not in hotel. We been in the Terminal 21. I am lazy to take my camera. Don't want because last day we walk 15 kilometers and so tired, and after our flight it's not easy and not easy to walk also for Shaira. That's why today we only eat in Terminal 21 and until 5 we stay in hotel, just lay in the bed, not sleep of course. And now already 5:36 and we're going to Beach Road. We will take jeepney and we're going to the Walking Street direction. I don't know, maybe we not go to Walking Street, but just only this Central Festival. We don't have plans to do some or going somewhere in the Pattaya. We just want to relax here, walk,
Yes,
eat.
because last year we've been already so many already.
No, last two years.
years.
2 years ago, Shaira already visit Pattaya. She said, I already been there, I've been there, so I want a new place. But we already in Pattaya, that's why we will walk only here. This is bars, beer bar. Beer bar. Of course, we will show to you when we go to our friend in the North Pattaya. It's Naklua Road to Sky Beach condominium. It's later. We have more time, 9 days more. That's why we just want to rest. Oh, this is a new hotel. It's new Dragon Belly restaurant. Shaira, take a look. I never seen this restaurant. Dragon Belly restaurant. I want to see menu. This is new restaurant. I never seen before. And open from 11 to 10 p.m. What we can eat? Chinese foods. Snacks 80 baht. Fry Chinese chips 80. I think little bit expensive here. Expensive than in China. But I know how much in China. It's maybe rent expensive. New restaurant. Oh, where Shaira? I don't know. I cannot see Shaira again. Hiding. Oh. Coffee. This for her it's okay. I know she like drinks. Drinks is okay price. Modern Chinese restaurant. And modern price of course. Yeah, modern price. It's a price same like in Hong Kong. In China cheaper. Yeah, same in Hong Kong. Hong Kong price. Chinese restaurant. Of course, Hong Kong Yes, Hong Kong, maybe Hong Kong's from Hong Kong management. I don't know where Shira. But good looking. Maybe inside also good. Japanese card, Germany, MG. Oh, also have hotel here. This is entrance to hotel. So restaurant and hotel also. Shira lost again. I don't know where Shira. Fat Coco. Oh, Shira, why you hiding? I think you want to see menu. I think you want to see menu.
No?
Have many coffee. Mood Hotel. Are you mood now? Good mood.
Maybe.
Good. It's Mood Hotel. Very good weather right now. Windy little bit. Very good. Not hot. I not feel hot. Вот. Вот name of hotel Pattaya Beach Resort. Hi?
Sweets there.
Sweets? Right now you want?
No.
Ah.
Remember the sweets for me?
Yes, I know we eat before in the Central Festival. We can try to find. Mochi, you seen mochi? You're so fast, that's why you cannot see what we sell. You can see, yes, before mochi, you like mochi.
It's not the same.
Not the same. I know what you want. Shira, prepare 20 baht for jeepney. What name the tuk-tuk? Hi?
Tuk-tuk.
Tuk-tuk, yes. This is tuk-tuk. Okay, taxi service, airport. This is tuk-tuk. It's empty tuk-tuk. Need to find. Ah, okay. Okay, you see. Traffic right now. Do you want Indian food, Shira?
I want anything.
Anything? Indian, Arabian food? Any? Right now?
I want the Russian chocolate.
Huh?
Russian chocolate.
Russian chocolate need go to Russia.
But in Clark also have it.
No, Clark, your gold, yes. Beach Road. Мы каждый год приезжаем сюда. Так, просто отдохнуть. So we walk first. Walking street. You see, it's good entrance. Ага. What difference between Angeles walking street and Pattaya?
More better.
Now we're going to walking street. And time now 6 p.m. Walking street still open for cars. I don't know what time walking street is open for close for car. Yeah. But right now, take a look. This is same before in Angeles City. Did you remember? Angeles also until 4 can use car and bar. Most of the bar closed now.
Only later.
Yes, later, but it's still open. Can use car, motor. It's also good. I think it's better and more wide road. Business for sale. Mama San Club. Mama San. Oh, thank you, thank you. Oh, Skyfall. Skyfall also. Shaira, this is a seafood restaurant. Before I eat in this restaurant, but a little bit expensive. (7-Eleven). XS, you see, take a look. XS, same in Angeles XS, yes. And you see, they have a car XS. Oh, even Jeepney walk, even Jeepney drive. Oh, logger, style, streamer. Yeah. Chinese. When I walk and drive in Pattaya, I see so many bloggers, so many YouTubers, streamers also, so many. No, I think in Angeles don't have so many bloggers. In Pattaya, everywhere I see, everywhere. Hey, they hold phone, they not afraid if someone snatch phone. Galaxy, Diamond Arcade, Diamond Arcade. Sultan is ice cream. Ah, Turkish ice cream. Yeah, Turkish ice cream. Another 7-Eleven. Many 7-Elevens. Hotel. I don't know why in Angeles they cannot open walking street to everyone and for cars also. Same like before. Same like in Pattaya. Gun in Pattaya. No, I have. Can everyone filming? Not problem. No one say to you, oh, stop filming. You see, we always filming here, not hide camera. Day and night. Did you remember I filming near Soi 6? Even security say hi. This is Indian club. Night time is open. Indian. I don't know what time open. Hi?
Evening only.
What?
Maybe evening only. They will gonna open.
Yes, evening, yes, not now. Boss Club. Boss Club. It's new club. I first time see this club. Тату. Yes, eat, drink this one and use gun.
And
Ay?
that is full already. What name? To drinks already.
2 drinks. 100 baht, 2 drinks. Ага.
That's okay. You can highlight.
Interesting. They sell same like I cannot say what medicine. For someone is medicine. And there you can rent also gun.